New and improved future weapon. Tippmann 98 Custom. Beautiful. Got a range of about 25 yards. Stop any intruders in your home.
Cool!
Back to Tippmann 98 Custom. Non-lethal weapon. If any intruders like that guy over there gets into your house, you just use this. It'll stop them with sheer force, but it won't kill them.
Wait! I'm not ready! You fucking missed!
Oh! I felt that one! Guy intruded in the house. Now look at him with this weapon. He's down. He's passed out. Come back up here. If you want to buy this, stop those intruders, call 1-800-888-5555.